Below are some key words and terms we use throughout the study of statistics. The first is data. This refers to any observations that have been collected. For example, when kittens come into the animal shelter, we check their weight, the color, the gender. These are all observations and data that we collect. The next is when we use the term statistics. So we take this data, we collect it, we then analyze it somehow using some sort of test or formula. We then summarize it, we make interpretations about it, and then we draw conclusions from it about larger groups. A population does not always refer to people. A population refers to the complete set of all elements being studied. This is different from a sample. A sample is a smaller subset of a population because it's virtually impossible to study the entire population of something. For example, if you had an endangered species, which there were only, say, 12 or 15 left in the world, it is possible to study the entire population because studying 12 or 15 of something is completely doable. However, if you have, say, thousands, 10,000s, a million, there's no way for you to study all million of those. So you take a smaller group of that and then make conclusions about the larger group. An example would be all of the fine art majors in all of the United States. I don't have access to every single art major in all the United States. I can't ask them all a question, but I want to know information or draw conclusions about all of that population. I would need to take a subset of that population. A subset of this particular population that I could survey would be fine art majors who take a particular art history course. You need to make sure that the sample you are taking is in fact a smaller subgroup of the population you want to study.